Hi everyone, good evening to all of you. I hope you are all fine and happy. So, first I would like to introduce myself. I am Yogendra Kumar Yadav. I am from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoi district. I did BCA in 2021 from Mahatma Gandhi Kasi Vidyapith, and my father is a farmer, my mother is a housewife, and I live in a village. And sorry, I didn't introduce my hobbies. So my hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and learning new things. So, you know, my journey of learning English, how to speak especially. So it started in college. When I was in college, so I was suggested that everyone should learn English. Then you will get a job better. So on that day, I decided that no matter how many problem I will have to face, I will learn English. And now today, I have learned lot of things, and I watched movies the whole day. Still, I don't have I don't have confidence how to speak English. And I'm a little bit shy person, a camera shy person. You know and yeah, it is obvious that I live in a village here. No one is speaking English, and no one want to speak English. And also, not if you want to, so they don't let you do that. So I don't have any friends who speak English, and I don't have any mentor so that I can be suggested and speak English better. So I am making mistake and and learning English day by day. Yeah, yeah, I know. While speaking, I make mistake. I make a lot of mistake, and but I used to make a lot of mistake. But I think now I am than better than past. And if you are learning English, and today I have got 1000 subscribers on YouTube, and so that's why I have got lot of responsibility. And when I was alone and I was making mistake, so that was okay. But now I have a responsibility of 1000 people, so people who are dependent on me. And so I think I should improve myself every day, so that they can learn something from me and better yourself. So that's it, guys. I have experience I have got experience that if you read English, if you listen English, and if you learn grammar, so you will not be able to speak English. Yeah, I am telling the truth. Whether you accept it or not, it depends on you. And so now that's it. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day and keep learning. It will take time.